Lucky for you to have 6 gears, bro. I only got 5. I got a 5-speed. Both in my truck and in my dirt bike. I'm not cool enough to have a 6th gear. So you're just going to have to drop a gear and disappear, bro. 6th gear. Subscribe and hit the like button. YouTube, Instagram, and Twitter. The Ranch Lone Star Rally 2019. Hell yeah. 6th gear, you're a cool dude, man. You know me. I like your content. You already know I like it. Don't worry about it. You know I like it. I've watched it. I've watched it multiple times. Even though I haven't commented, you know I've watched it, so don't worry about it. Go subscribe to 6th gear. Subscribe and hit the like button. Deuces.